Hadian baka University Grants Commission UGC kalawang yaki college hapo meklaya ki balapan yasno bat ka school ba Northeastern Hills University nehu kaba yale yaki exam kuwet ki khna pule kalapan pa yala ki jong ki jing sngo per halor kani ka phang habakran baka dudarshan katu kaningo ki khna pule kila ang baka ne ka exam kalong ka bakong san ka banta jong ki namar kapan yarangkat kerdan bat kiwe pat ki khna pule hakalengkari Henry kidon katu kaningot kinohikai ki basngo baka jing per jong ki selebas ka jala kala banwan ra jing ikhna pule laru ban ong ba menteri rang ba konrad sangmau lopha yakashiti so menteri nat puriputhi ka sarkar pedeng udhar mendra pradhan da ka pekentui u bon pela ya ka jala na ka jing kmi ka kuwet namar ba ka jala kadang sudeption ban penlong ya ki election checking dor bar thau an hadin kini ka jing karpat ka sarkar pedeng klawang i college po ka jala ban khon ya ka exam
Nak bantu security kan, ba nangipet kiwi ki setiap kiale akan ka exam. Na kipendu na akan ka exam kalong ba kalap ni baka educational system jengi hani Meghalaya kalong backwards. Ba it's very competitive outside. FP Meghalaya jengi neki remove na akan ni padam kalong ka Meghalaya ni kalapoi siapa ka liang ka education kan.
I urge and then I encourage all my fellow friends, they should write CUET because seriously for education level it is very good. You can upgrade your knowledge very high. So for me it's rate 10 out of 10.